Yes, so today I'm going to tell you how to create our own API, fake API locally using the JSON server. Right, you are hearing right? Using the JSON server. So, so basically we will use this one npm package. So first step is to install this package in our system using this command. I will copy this command and paste it here. So this will install the JSON server packages in a system GVs globally. So I don't need to install my packages individually for this project only. I install this globally in a system. So I'm using JSON server 0.17.4 version. So if I need to check the which version I'm using, I can use this command get. I mean no to check whether the package is installed correctly in our local system or not. We can use this since version is already seen here. So as we can see that in our local system that JSON server is installed at this location. And somehow for the some users this might show some error. So for that what we need to do is we need to set the environment variable. So for environment variable to set up, you just need to open this system properties, or you can search on this search bar here in the windows. Go to the environment variable and choose this path. Now edit this path. This part should be there. If it is not there, you can edit from here, new, then click it OK. So basically, this install the local JSON server locally. You can verify it again using the npm bin g command. Even after uh, saving the environment variable, it is not reflected here. You need to restart this command prompt or Visual Studio. So let me go through the JSON server doc. So this one here. So second step is to create the db.json file at some location. So let me create it here. Let me create one folder name called db, or I can say let me create one folder name. This is sorry, I created the file name. So I need to create the folder. Let's say create the folder data. Inside the data, I will create db.json. So here I need to create one JSON file. It could be any the data that you want to show in your API, right? So let's say I create one data of products, or you can simply copy this whole thing from here also. This one. Let me copy it here from. No, I will create it manually. This one. Type. I need one ID. It could be any. Then I need name. What I have this. This is name. My name is Rahul. Let's say, and profession. Let's say. Age. Okay. I'm not good. So much good at JSON. So let's say uh, this is my first property, first object I define here. So let me copy it here. Paste it. Before that, I need to put this in an array, right? So it's the collection of the objects. So this one, let's say 3, 4, and change these IDs. 3, 4. Second image, let's say Adam, Zampa. Second image, like Zach. Horizontal. stack is a designer, and I'm just jump as a, baller or badminton. Or I can say, yeah, athlete. Doesn't matter. So this is how we created our db.json file. So our next step is to make this how we can utilize this as a JSON server. How we can make this live, right? So for this, what we need to do is we need to one important thing before doing this. If I run this using this command start JSON server, then it default it will run on the 3000 port. If you run another project locally, like say I'm using the React, and if I run my project here, then it will also run on the same port. So this might face the error since 3000 is common in both the cases. So we need to change the port either for the React project or for the JSON server. So let's say I just want to change the port for this JSON server. So what I need to do is I need to write the path here. So path is inside the data, then db.json. I let's say I make this port as 8000. So to run my this data on the 8000 port. So this one, right? If I click on this, I'm getting it here. Wow. So this is how you created your API, right? Locally. You can use it, for some purpose, for to fetch some data locally in any application. That's it.